everybody, I'm Flannery from the Healthy Habits Eating Well on a Budget program here at the Rhode Island Community Food Bank. Welcome back to another Healthy Bite. Did you know that 300,000 people get injured using kitchen knives every year? But don't let that spook you. Stay tuned to learn some of our favorite Healthy Habits tricks so you can safely make all of your favorite treats. The first step when preparing to use a sharp kitchen tool is to secure your cutting board on a flat surface. This ensures it won't slip around while you're using your knife. A simple way to do this is to take a damp paper towel and lay it flat on your table and place your cutting board on top to help secure it. Now we're ready to grab our kitchen tools. It's important to remember that kitchen utensils are tools and not toys. Never point a knife at anyone, and when walking with a knife, keep it pointed down by your side with the blade facing behind you. A sharp knife is a safe knife for cutting, but can be dangerous when not used correctly. Now that we know the basics, let's start chopping. Keep your fingers tucked out of the way in a claw shape like this. This helps keep the food stable while keeping you safe. As you chop your food, slowly move the claw back and away from the knife.